Today, I want to talk to you guys about PEPE coin and an insane reality that could be possible for this meme coin. Possible. Not likely, not for sure, but it is possible. A 30x for the PEPE coin token. I say this because historically, what we've seen with major meme coins is a similar thing that we could see for PEPE if we really get this bull market to heat up. And I'm not talking about the meme coins that pop off and then disappear forever. I'm talking about the coins that come out like a dogecoin or a shiba inu and remain a top 20 project in the crypto space. Let's talk a little bit about PEPE and a 30x possibility for this coin. And in the short term, a little bit of a dip before we get that move to the upside. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, tap that like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and let's get into this. If you're taking a peek at what's going on with Bitcoin today, it is down to $84,500, which is right in the same zone that we've been in for a while. Cryptocurrency is stuck on these levels until we get past tariffs and the interest rates. That's it. I'm stuck on that. There's nothing any of us can do to kind of change that. If you look at the traditional market is struggling right now. Bitcoin is struggling, but really holding up very strong. What's really hurting the most lately has been the Pepes of the world and the Dogecoins, but more so are some of these other lower cap memes, things like Peanut the Squirrel or Moodang or any of these other meme coins that you may or may not have heard of, including Trump coin has gotten crushed way more than PEPE. But I do believe that PEPE, similar to Dogecoin, is going to remain a top meme coin into the future. Now, could that be incorrect? It could be. But if I were to tell you, I went to 2 different crypto conferences last year, and amongst all the participants that I spoke to at these conferences, most everybody was talking about PEPE and believing that PEPE was going to be the next big one. And also, if you look at the first big meme to take us out of the bear market for this recent pump that Bitcoin had in 2023 into 2024, PEPE was one of the first coins to kind of get us out of the woods, get us going into a bull market along with Bonk. But I still believe that PEPE had bigger waves. And so 30x for PEPE comes after looking at Dogecoin, looking at Shiba Inu, and understanding that PEPE is extremely popular amongst the crypto community. Again, tap that like button, guys, and look at this with me. PEPE, if it were to achieve the previous market cap high that Dogecoin had, 29.06x from here. Now, what's crazy, guys, is I do believe that Bitcoin might slip past 84K and come down to $71,000 or $65,000, which means PEPE could slip back down to 505, maybe even 503, or possibly even lower. It's real. Well, how are you talking about a 30x when you're talking about lower price levels? Well, because I do believe that Dogecoin is not going to be the only meme coin ever to achieve $88 billion. I think at some point, Dogecoin or PEPE or some other major meme coin, maybe Shiba Inu or something that maybe we don't even know about yet, could surpass the previous high that Dogecoin has achieved. We've never seen a $100 billion meme coin. Maybe we shouldn't see a $100 billion meme coin because that's ridiculous. Meme coins shouldn't have even gone to $88 billion in the past. But the fact of the matter is this, they did. Dogecoin did it. And I think that it could happen again at some point in the future. Now, if you want to trade some memes or trade Bitcoin, you could sign up for Blowfin and you could do some spot trading. You could do some leverage trading here if you want to. And then you sign up using our link, up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you sign up for Blowfin. But again, I do believe that it is not crazy to think that even if PEPE slips back down to some of these lower levels, that at one day in the future, if it is truly a major meme and a staple in this market, like I I believe personally, not financial advice, that it is, then I think it could achieve what Dogecoin has achieved in the past. That's a 30x. In fact, it could even be more than a 30x. But if you're holding PEPE coin, or Doge for that matter, would you be holding PEPE coin until it 30x's before you take profit? Absolutely not. That's not the smart way to do it. Historically speaking, the people that take profit on the way up, if you are buying a cryptocurrency that has 30x potential and you take profit at 2x, 3x, 4x, 4.5x, or heck, after a 50% gain, 75% gain, you can take profit on the way up and still make a ton of money without having held the entire position all the way to the moon. Typically, the people that are waiting for these coins to go all the way to the moon, even when they do go to the moon and go higher, they're still not going to take profit, because if you're the kind of person that's just holding this coin till it goes 30x, then you're probably going to try to hold it till it goes 100x, and it's probably not going to go 100x, and then you're probably going to hold it all the way to the bottom, and you're probably going to lose in the end. I want you guys to win. Again, not a financial advisor, not here to give financial advice. Nobody should ever be giving financial advice and say, PEPE coin's going to 30x. It's not financial advice, but based on the data, it is possible. It could happen even in this bull market. Nobody would have been able to anticipate that Dogecoin was going to get to an $88 billion market cap in this last cycle. And it did in the last cycle. In this cycle, Elon Musk, just like he supported Dogecoin, is seemingly supporting PEPE. If you've seen the Pepeus Maximus meme that's been put out, he's seemingly supporting PEPE. There's a lot that could happen. Elon Musk could say something about PEPE. He could shoot it to the moon. You could see a PEPE ETF. You could see a Dogecoin ETF. In fact, we're probably going to see a Dogecoin ETF. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a PEPE ETF in the future as well. It's, again, ridiculous, but this is crypto, and memes are ridiculous, but they are real, and some of them are in the top 10. Dogecoin's number 8. PEPE might get there one day. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. In the short term, guys, nothing has changed for me. I believe that we are going to potentially have a dip down to 71 or 65K. Does that absolutely need to happen? No. Is it a possibility? Excuse me. I think the answer is yes. I think it's a possibility. It's something that I'm looking out for, and I'm looking for opportunities to accumulate on these dips. And I'm looking for opportunities to trade some of the volatility. And if you guys want to trade, again, sign up for Blowfin. You can use our link down below. Check it out. DCAing is one of the best strategies in crypto, in my opinion, but trading is also a helpful tool to allow you to then make profit and DCA in more, especially when you're getting some downside. I did some pretty successful short trades lately that have allowed me to DCA further into this market. That's the way that I play it. How are you playing it, guys? Are you bullish on PEPE? Do you believe in a 30x dream for PEPE? I want to hear from you in the comments down below. That's all I got on this one. I'm Crypto Cape. This is Crypto Report. Smash like, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL, and I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Until next time, folks, peace.